Well, thanks for joining me today. Today I'm doing a survey on 3 roofs, this lower roof here, this one and this top one. I've driven from the other side of London. I'm based over in North London. This is right on the other side of South London. Most people search for roof surveyors and they do local surveyor near me and searches like that. However, we travel all over the place. Now, this particular roof, I've already noted that there's these water lines coming down here and they're white, and that normally indicates there's some kind of sweating going on underneath it. So I'm just checking on top of the roof for other defects, but actually in my mind I'm thinking to myself, why is that? Is there good ventilation up there? They're the kind of things that I need to report to the customer. Whilst I'm looking at this particular area here, which is not really in my job at the moment because I'm only here to do an insurance assessment for renewing the insurance on the 3 flat roofs, this lower one and the top one. But while I'm there, I'm going to report back all the information I can. I'll do it in 2 different ways. A report for the insurance company that just covers the condition of the flat roofs. I'll report that back in one report, but as a side note, I'll also report to the customers the different scenarios that I think are wrong with the roof so that they can keep up the maintenance of the roof. That's all part of my job. Hopefully that's been helpful to you. If you need any more information, please get back to me.